Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick little video to help you get started with using the platform Descript. I know starting out in content creation, it can seem overwhelming for you with the planning, the filming, and the editing, but that's why I love Descript so much because it's super beginner friendly and it lets you edit your videos and audio amongst other things, and it makes it so easy for you. I'm going to leave the link to get Descript and try it out for free. I currently use the creator plan for about, I believe, $35 a month. Initially, I didn't want to pay that, but honestly, it is so worth it when you find out all that it does for you. But definitely try it out for free first to see if it's something that you like, because I really believe that you will. And in this video, there's, like I said, there's so much to do with Descript, but I just want to show you exactly how it works so that you can get started using it today. So upon signing up from the link, it will bring you to a screen that looks like this. Mine will look a little different because I've already been in it creating videos. So that's what you see down at the bottom, videos I've already created and edited. But you're always going to see the icon here for new project to upload your video that you have recorded. You also see this button record. I'm actually recording this video for you guys in Descript as well. So that is another feature that Descript has. But we're going to go to new project and you'll see it says video project or audio project. So if you've created audio, you can also upload that to edit it. Or if you do podcasts, you can choose audio for that as well. But we're going to pretend like you're uploading your YouTube video. I created a sample video for you guys to see how it works. So you're going to click on video project and you're going to come down to upload file. And I'm actually going to change this over here because you can change the layout. This is the stack layout, and I actually prefer the side-by-side one like this. You just see everything better. So that is something you can do as well. And then you can just go from here to upload your video. Normally, I am working on my laptop and a bigger screen that I have. So I usually just drop my videos down into there. So once you select your video, you're going to see this little box pop up where it says activity. And this is showing you that it is uploading your video as well as transcribing your audio. This always pops up, but you can just hit done and it'll give you the percentage of your video that has been uploaded. And that's what you see right here on the left side. It is transcribing your video for you, and it has your video on the right. Sometimes it may take a little while to actually upload everything. If you have a longer video, this one shouldn't take too long because this was just like a little quick, maybe I think 20-second video that I did. And now it's complete. So this is the transcription portion of the video. One of the reasons I really love this editing platform, because if you're familiar with other editing platforms such as CapCut or Filmora, which is one that I use, or iMovie, any of those, you only can edit your video from the actual video itself. And sometimes that can be tedious and hard until you actually learn how to do it. But with Descript, you can actually edit your transcription. You'll see your buttons to play your video, fast forward or rewind. It plays your video for you while it's showing you the transcription. So for an example, these little dots right here, that symbolizes where there was no audio or I wasn't talking. And so all you have to do is highlight that and press delete and it's gone. And so especially in the beginning of your video, if you're pausing or you're trying to get your nerves together to start talking, but you're recording, you can just go to that part and actually highlight it and delete it and take it out of your video. Also, if you have any words that you may have said that you didn't want to say, or if you said something incorrectly, you can also highlight that and remove it as well. Now, over here to your right where you see Underlord, these are all the different features that Descript has. And I'll just go through a couple of them for you because, like I said, there's so many things that you can do on Descript. You have your edit for clarity option. If you hover over it, it'll tell you exactly what it does. And it's like this one says remove filler word. digression, blather, all the obvious cut. If you just wanted to do a cleanup for you, you can use this option and it will do that. One of my favorite ones, which I discussed on the clarity call, was the studio sound. With that one, it tells you that you can remove background noise and enhance voices. And with this video that I'm actually recording, my kids are actually playing in the background and there's a lot of noise, but you're not going to be able to hear that in this video because when I went back to edit this video for you guys, I used this option, the studio sound, and it removed all of the background noise from my kids yelling and screaming and laughing. So it's amazing. On top of, like I stated before, it will also give you a mic. I do not use a mic when I record my videos, and this gives me that clean, crisp sound as if I am using the mic. So just that alone is a great reason to use this platform. You also have remove filler words, remove retakes. Add chapters is another feature that I absolutely love. This is for if you've ever watched a YouTube video that has timestamps. This does that for you so that you don't have to sit through your videos yourself and actually find the chapters and the points or the bullet points that you start to talk about different things in your video. This will actually do it for you, and you literally can just copy and paste it into your description of your video. The third feature that I absolutely love is the eye contact feature. And this is for if you're someone who uses a teleprompter and you're looking in a different direction or your eyes show that you're reading. If you turn this feature on, it will fix your eyes to where it looks like you are looking directly at the viewer that's watching your video. And initially, upon using this, I thought that it was going to look kind of weird. Like, I'm like, it's going to fix my eyes, but it does a great job with making it look like you are naturally looking at the camera. There's also other options like if you want to use a green screen, if you want to blur your background. You also can repurpose your videos, like if you like making shorts or reels for other social media platforms. And then there's an option down here as well to brainstorm. You can write your script in here and also do an outline. So there are a ton of features. There's also another feature that they just released that I'm actually looking into using. So if during your video, say you want a picture to pop up, or if you want to put wording on your screen, anything like that, normally things that we would do like in Canva or something and then add to your video editing, this does it for you in Descript. This is awesome. And so these are some of the many ways that you can use Descript. Honestly, starting out, you probably could just use Descript for everything for your video and not have to use all the different platforms like Canva, CapCut, everything that you may be using currently to help pull a video together. Descript is making it where you can do everything you need to do for your video in just this platform. So I hope this was helpful for you. Please let Whitney know if you have any questions. I could make a video explaining something further in detail if you like. Also, once you're done editing your video, you just simply go to export. Once you export it, you then can download it. You can download your videos directly to YouTube if you want to, once you're done with these. So that is another great feature for this as well. So if you guys enjoyed it, and good luck with your YouTube journey.